Your Excellencies, esteemed delegates, for the Kingdom of the Netherlands, water is and will always be a priority issue. Our kingdom, with its low-lying delta of rivers flowing into the North Sea, and the island countries of Aruba, Curaçao, and Sint Maarten, was literally shaped by water. As we meet here today, it is clear that the world is facing an unprecedented water challenge. The science tells us that, for the first time in human history, we have pushed the global water cycle out of its natural balance. People all over the world are facing the reality of too much water, too little water, or water that is too polluted. The root causes of water scarcity are our consumption and production patterns. So, how do we tackle these challenges? I urge you to take guidance from the Global Commission on the Economics of Water. We need to prioritize water in our decision-making. Both in economics and in politics, we must put water at the heart of our policy-making. This conference, the first UN Water Conference in almost 50 years, is a vital step in bringing about the systemic change the world needs. We, the Kingdom of the Netherlands, will do all we can to foster that change. Our commitments to the Water Action Agenda cover finance, capacity building, governance, data, innovation, and new forms of collaboration. Your Excellencies, esteemed delegates, make no mistake. This water conference is only the beginning. Water needs ongoing political attention at the highest level. We must make sure the Water Action Agenda gets the follow-up it needs. At the SDG Summit this year, the Summit of the Future in 2024, and the World Social Summit in 2025, and during the next COP sessions on climate and biodiversity and the Dushanbe water process. A water-secure world is not just our concern. The voices of future generations need to be heard as well. So, let me now give the floor to our youth representative on sustainable development, Sarah Ooi.